Hey guys, out here at my test track. This is where I learned to drive. You can see this is the first vlog of 2020 and we're bringing plenty of action to 4 cars that have been here today. Hi guys, start of 2020. Sorry we haven't done a vlog for a while, but we've been getting the Datsun ready. We're going to do some rounds of the Victorian Rally Championship this year. So we're out of my track to do some testing, shake down the things we've changed. Some of the stuff we've changed, if you come along here, you can see underneath in the rear end now we've got the extra cooling space for rear diff, so it holds 300ml more of oil. I've also got a sway bar that goes on there that we'll do some testing with. In the cockpit we've fixed the, Mark fixed the steering column, so that's nice and tight now. We had a problem in here with the bearing flogging out in the Alpine, so that's really good. We made some small changes in there as well, but that's the main thing. In the front end, we had the issues with the oil getting really hot in the rally and we just couldn't push because we didn't want to damage the engine. So Mark's fitted an oil cooler in the front now that hopefully we can cool all that hot oil that's going through the dry sump kit. So it's got a inlet here, comes through and put more heat shielding on the extractors as well. Key thing is to try and keep the heat out of the engine bay. So we'll test all those things today, and then if that all works out okay, we'll start doing some suspension fine tuning. We've got a few different spring rates to try as well. So it should be a fun day.
So we've got the park switch is shown on, we've got 12 volts going, everything, so we've got voltage at the PDM, so just try starting it and nothing.
No.
That light might not come on at the moment. Nothing.
No.
So we've definitely got power and all that side's working. So what have we not got power going to?
We got a camera. So finished testing for today, car's on the trailer. Hasn't been all positive, lots of little dramas, electrical issues. Today their engine oil's still getting hot, so we're just debating what to do there, and the rally's next weekend. So got a bit of work to do this week still. The balance of the car's quite good, it's a little bit down on power, so we're going to look into that as well. But we're getting closer. It's very muddy as well, so we had a mix of dust and the mud today. That's the best way to test, so we'll go and clean it up, and it's going to be a big week. Just at the minute when you're accelerating, sitting up on the road, well, it's quite grippy, it's good, but once it gets powdery, it'll just snap out. Yeah, like, we're just trying to keep a bit of traction there. Your front end feels good at the minute.